Hi there, welcome to TECHVEZEL channel. In this video you will learn how to set up this awesome FliqLo Screen Saver to your computer to make your computer looks better. So let's get started. First of all, go to the Google and search for FliqLo Screen Saver. Click on the link. The screensaver will appear like this, and it's available for Mac and Windows and also for Android phones. Click anywhere on the screen. Now scroll down until you'll see the download option. If you have the Mac system, then click on the first option, and if you have Windows, then click on the second option, and it's absolutely free. After downloading, unzip the download. So now what you have to do is right click on the icon and make it install on your PC. The screensaver settings will appear, and from here you can set all the parameters of this FliqLo Screensaver. You can either increase or decrease the size of your clock, plus you can set contrast. Also, format of the clock can be changed from 24 hours or vice versa. You can reset the setting also, and then click an OK button to apply all the settings. If somehow you won't get the setting screen, then you can either get it from writing it on the run command, the screensaver settings, or you can just go to desktop and click the personalize option, and from here you click on the lock screen and get the screensaver settings and make the settings as per your wish. I hope you will understand from this video, and like the video and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you. Goodbye.